Hi everybody, and welcome to the Eagle Tips. I am Riccardo Balma, and I'm Product Manager for Compact Wheel Loaders for Europe. In this episode, we would like to tell you a few things about the improved controllability of the boom and the bucket of our Case Compact Wheel Loaders. To help me in showing you this important feature, I'll be joined by Mario Girardi, Chief Engineer of the Compact Wheel Loaders platform, and by Stefano Liberti, Senior Mechatronic Engineer.
The electro-hydraulic control system of Case Compact Wheel Loader increased considerably the vehicle performances in main application thanks to three brand new features: the different operating mode selection, the combined movement and the constant deadband. Stefano will show us more about these features.
The new electro-hydraulic control system is designed to get the best out of the machine and deliver excellent value through combined movement, one of the key factors that influence the compact wheel loader performance. Thanks to control system, the operator is able to perform simultaneous lifting, tilting and auxiliary function, improving the efficiency and the precision in every application. The Implement Mode Selection feature provides the possibility to fine-tune the machine based on application and operator preference by three different settings of the boom and bucket aggressiveness. The high setting is for faster, more responsive hydraulics for repetitive duty cycle, like truck loading. This feature can be adjusted in low mode for smoother hydraulics needed with fork loads or to work in dangerous and restricted area. Medium mode is a good balance for all mission profile. Special attention was paid to the wish and needs of our customers during the development process. The result is a new electro-hydraulic system which allows a constant joystick working range independently from the engine speed, improving so the precision of the movement and fine control of the implement with fast cycle times.
Thank you, Mario and Stefano, and thank you for your attention. We'll see you in the next episode of the Eagle Tips. For the latest news on Case machines, follow us on Facebook and Instagram and visit our website casece.com.